With clamshells, you want to start with a lighter band until your glutes get strong enough. And I like to put the band right below my knees. It seems to stay in place and it doesn't roll. Whether you have a fabric band or a latex band is fine. You're going to lay on your hip, supporting yourself with your elbow, and you're going to bend your knees almost at a 90-degree. Your bottom foot will be pointing out, and then your top foot would be pointing out as well, but you're going to pivot your top foot in your arch so that it's staying in place. Then you're just going to pull the band apart, really using that top glute to support you and engaging your core. Here from the aerial view, you can see how much my legs are bent. You can also see how my feet are supported. So the bottom foot's pointed, top foot is pointed, but just not as much, really using that arch for support, and then pulling the band. When you do this, make sure you're not rocking back and trying to use your whole body to separate the band. You're just using your glute. So there's an imaginary wall behind you, and you're not doing this right here.